Okay, so dito tayo sa squat rack. So gagawa tayo ng tatlong variation ng exercises dito sa squat rack. Okay, so first variation will be the barbell back squats. So first, perform natin yung squats. And then, kailangan, bago tayo mag-proceed ng squat, make sure natin yung safety natin na kailangan natin lagyan ng support. Okay? So if in case na mag-fail tayo sa baba, at least may lalapagan yung ating barbell. Hindi tayo madudurog sa baba. Okay, so lagay natin. Okay, so ang perform ko ay deep squats. So adjust nyo lang yung support doon sa komportable kayo na masusuportan nyo yung barbell once na inabot nyo yung deep na squat. Okay, so once na naset na natin yung support, pwede na natin i-approach yung barbell. Okay, so approach natin yung barbell to chest level and then pailalim tayo. Okay? Then lagay natin siya sa likod. And then shoulder width stance, up natin yung barbell, and then atras tayo sa support. Okay. And then first, bago tayo mag-down, make sure na naka-squat position yung stance nyo. Okay? So squat stance. So wider stance. Okay? If okay na, go chest out, inhale, and then go down. Ayan. Then up. Yun. So, kailangan yung squats nyo is malalim. So, kailangan deep squat. Okay? So, go 2. Then up. Okay. So, proceed tayo sa second variation. Okay? So, magro-row tayo. Barbell row. Gagawin na natin is overhand. Okay? So, for mid-back and lats. Okay? So, first, approach natin yung bar. Dikit natin yung shins natin sa bar. Okay? So, ang stance natin is shoulder width. Kung gaano kalapad ang shoulder mo, ganun din yung tayo mo. Okay? Pag all set na kayo, go approach the bar, kunin yung bar. Still maintain na nakadikit yung shins natin sa bar. Okay? And then, chest out. Tingin sa unahan. Kunin yung bar and then row. Start to row. Okay. Go observe na lang na yung bar is hindi nalalayo sa tuhod. And then, papasok yung siko natin. Okay? Okay, go. Second rep. Okay, then pull, and then down. Yan. Maintain natin yung chest out. And then kailangan yung elbows natin is naka-point pataas. And then go row, squeeze yung mid-back, and then slow release. Yan. Okay, so proceed tayo sa third variation. So third variation will be the Romanian deadlift, or also known as stiff leg RDL. Okay, so mainly focus nito is yung hamstring natin or yung posterior chain natin. Okay, so approach natin yung bar. Same lang din sa rowing. Dikit natin yung shins natin sa bar. And then shoulder width na stance. And then kunin natin sa bar. Okay, so naka-chest out. Ang pinagkaibahan lang nito is yung leg natin is stiff. Okay, so hindi tayo magbe-bend. Slight bend lang. Once na na-reach natin yung slight bend, fix na yung position natin. Hindi na natin siya gagalawin, okay? More on upper body na lang yung gagawa. Okay? Go. Get natin yung bar, then up. Okay, so upright position, then down. Maintain yung stiff na leg. And then up. Okay, so observe natin yung leg. Naka-slight bend lang. And then yung bar is hindi nalalayo sa ating leg. Okay?